Good afternoon. I hope we all enjoyed watching the story we just had a while ago. And also, we now have more courage in meeting new people, seeing that it isn't that hard to start a conversation with someone. We just have to take note of a few things, such as questions and responses. And right now, let us move on to the topic of our lesson. The words that you see on your screen are taken from the dialogue, and each one of them has one thing in common. These are all names. Let's read them. Repeat after me. Dio, city, classmate, Annalisa, family, patience, Cebu, perseverance, parents, friendship, scholarship, and company. These words are names of people, things, places, events, animals, and we call them nouns. Nouns are words that name person, place, things, events, and animals. More examples of nouns are as follows: rain, rice, tree, rock, sea, sand, river, flower, sky, grass, leaves, clouds. Nouns are divided into 8 kinds. The first one is the proper noun. Proper nouns are words that name specific person, place, thing, event, or animal. Proper noun starts with a capital letter. Examples are Cagayan Valley, December, and Alexander. Cagayan Valley is a name of an exact place. December is an exact name of a month. And Alexander is an exact name of a person. The second one is the common noun. Common nouns are words that give the general name of a person, place, thing, event, or animal. And unlike proper nouns, common nouns start with a lowercase letter. Examples are valley, month, brother. For us to remember each noun, it will be easier if we will compare each one to its opposite definition. Proper nouns are specific, while common nouns are general names. Proper nouns begin with a capital letter, while common nouns begin in lowercase letters. Look at the following examples we've organized in columns in which all under proper nouns are exact names, and all under common nouns are general names. Arthur, man. Bataan, province. Earth, planet. Jollibee, restaurant. Panilaw, street. The third is the count noun. Count nouns are words that name objects that you are able to count. Examples are trees, flowers, bottles. The fourth one is the mass noun. Mass nouns are words that name objects that cannot be counted. Instead, we use counters to signify its amount. Examples are rice, salt, and gasoline. Examples of the counters we can use are a sack of rice, a pack of salt, and a liter of gasoline. For us to remember each noun, it will be easier if we will compare the nouns to its opposite in definition. Count nouns are nouns that we can count, while mass nouns are the things that we can't count. Look at the following examples we organized in the columns in which under count nouns are countables and under mass nouns are nouns that are not countable. Flower, air. Slipper, gas. Shoe, water. Pencil, paper. Mugs, sand. The fifth noun is the abstract noun. Abstract nouns are words that cannot be experienced by your senses, such as ideas and concepts. Examples are love, joy, and freedom. These nouns cannot be felt, heard, tasted, seen, and smelled. The sixth noun is the concrete noun. Concrete nouns are words that can be experienced by your senses. Examples are health, food, and flag. These are the nouns that you can see, feel, taste, smell, or hear. For us to remember each noun, it will be easier if we will compare each noun to its opposite in definition. Abstract nouns are words that cannot be experienced by your senses, while concrete nouns are words that can be experienced by your senses. Look at the following examples we've organized, in which all under the abstract nouns are things we cannot experience, and under the concrete nouns are things we can experience. Peace, dove. Knowledge, book. Wisdom, brain. Truth, scale. Month, and calendar. The seventh noun is the collective noun. Collective nouns are words that name a group whose members are acting as one unit, taking a singular verb. Examples are family, company, choir, and community. For us to further understand what collective nouns are, here are more examples divided into different categories. Collective nouns for people and animals. For people, we have band, cast, stack, sentence, galaxy, bevy, choir, and hack. For animals, we have colony, brood, flight, flock, group, litter, kennel, and sloth. The eighth noun is the compound noun. Compound nouns are nouns formed by combining two words together. Examples are bedroom, rainfall, passerby, firefighter. For us to further understand what compound nouns are, here are some more examples. Afterlife, backstage, caretaker, daydream, egghead, firebox, goodbye, underclothes, waistcoat, aftermath, blackmail, carpool, dishcloth, and everything. Those are all the kinds of nouns. This time, I want you to give at least 2 examples for each noun. Place your answer on the chat box or comment box in this pattern. Proper, dash, Anna, Mark. Common, dash, girl, boy. And until you reach the last kind of noun. To further practice our knowledge in the kinds of nouns, let us try answering the following activities. Identify the kind of noun underlined in each sentence. You're given 4 minutes to finish the task. Go!